Alright guys, welcome back here at Tuning Dutchy. Hey, now I'm giving you guys another update. Yesterday I was actually too late awake from coming out of my bed, so that was yesterday a non-working car day. But nonetheless, I mean, I'm currently working, as you guys can see, because this is my working jacket. I want to show you guys how it looks like if your car has been valved by a jumped or broken timing belt. Now, this is one of my, well, exhaust valves. And I got another one, which is another exhaust valve. Looks pretty bad though. And I got an intake valve. This one is also looking pretty bad. And I got another intake valve. This is probably the baddest boy. This one is completely bent. Now, these are the bent valves, and as you guys can see, I have them here, so that means I have already replaced ones. Currently working on my car, and the cylinder head is already in place. Now, I'm currently busy with the intake manifold, which I already told you guys, which is a pain in my ass. And after that, I have to make the pistons on top that center again, so everything is lining up correctly. Now, however, I have bad valve guides, they are cracked, so it doesn't matter which way I turn, I definitely have to get some new, get new cylinder head, so I mean, it doesn't make actually too much sense. Now, since my old exhaust manifold gasket is actually pretty new, I have this one which is new as well, but this came like this, and you guys can see it's bent already. Now with an exhaust valve, it doesn't actually, with an exhaust manifold, it doesn't matter too much. Now I'm currently getting those bolts over here to make sure that the intake manifold is tied up as much as I can. After that, I'm trying to reinstall the EGR. But first of all, I'm gonna plan, as I already said, to take the intake manifold on. And before I'm continuing with doing anything else, I will also put some coolant in there. This one, the coolant that I got is from Crown Oil, which is a high premium brand. So this is my coolant. It's blue. I don't know, I mean, I don't know where the colors stands for, because you have green, blue, red, and I also believe orange. I'm not sure, but I did not flush the coolant all the way out. I have read that that's the best case scenario. But hey, I mean, I don't even actually care too much if my car is going to be a bit smoky. Because I have to take the cylinder head off as well next time, because there's going to be a new one on there. Now this one is a little bit more pricey, but I try to only run the car when it's needed to. I mean, with cracked valve guides, and not only one, but 4 from the 6 cracked valve guides, and 2 of them are very well cracked, almost all the way through. I don't know if it's a good idea to keep driving this cylinder head. I'm not going to replace those valve guides, because that's going to be another expensive job, and I cannot do that because I don't have the tools around here, and I don't know the distance as well. So that's actually that. Now, I mean, this is just going to be a very short update for you guys, so you guys know what's going on exactly. As said, yesterday I was doing nothing. In the evening I was actually boring, so I was thinking like, hey, damn, I should start with the car. But hey, I'm currently working on it. Now, I'm definitely not waiting for the moment to retime the timing belt again. But, I mean, it's part of it. I cannot avoid it. I have to do it. If I don't, and if I am just actually guessing, that means also guessing for problems. Now, I mean, I already adjusted the valves, so that's gonna be fine. Really happy to see that. Anyways, guys, I mean, it definitely does not look very nicely outside. I cannot show you because I don't want to expose my place too much. But it's raining outside. I can tell you, it's not nice to work in this weather. But hey, if you do not have a garage and you still want your car running, I mean, I have to do this, right? So, I mean, it could be that tomorrow the sun is shining again, or maybe even just next week. I don't know, but I'm not gonna wait too much anymore, because I know if I will start working on the car in a good but fast pace, then I know that I can finish the car off today. Now, probably this evening, but I can finish it off. Now, with no further to do, I think I will continue work on the car and get that intake manifold on there. I really hope that this time the coolant is not gonna flush by the engine itself. So the way I do this time is to make sure the intake is on there very good and snug. And this time with those new gaskets, I hope that that problem is solved, at least with the coolant. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna check in again whenever I got news for you, and probably that's gonna be whenever the coolant is in there, and after that, then I think I will be back whenever I can run the car. But first of all, let's make sure that the coolant stays in, and yeah, I mean, that's that. Anyways, guys, this was Tuning Dutchy. I'm gonna sign off. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, as I already said. I have some nice stuff going on here very soon, and like this video, share it with your friends. I mean, maybe they have a cylinder head problem, spark plug problem, intake manifold problem, just like I do, because these are all problems that I actually have. Maybe they are helped out as well, and with sharing, you can help out a lot of people. Don't forget that. Maybe you don't even see it, but it's true. Anyways, guys, this was Tuning Dutchy. I'm gonna sign off, and I see you guys in the next video.